Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams. So guys, Microsoft Teams is one of the most famous online platform around the world, through which there are facilities to do various things, including online meeting, group chattings, video conferencing, and also presentations. So after open this app, if you move to the right side, then you can see the activity and everything you do will be noted here. And in the middle you can see the chat options. Here you can chat with your friends, and even you can open a group with friends and have a group chat also. And then you can see the meet option, where on click you can start a meeting and also invite everyone to that meeting. In fact, you can share join the meetings by giving another's invite link, and when everyone joins that meeting you can talk in video call and audio call also, and you can also give presentation through screen share, and you can do much more things with this app which will help you a lot. So guys, mainly this app is mostly used for online classes and also online meetings. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.